Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my BoxyCharm. I'm super excited about this box. When I saw what they had on Instagram, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't think I'm gonna like the box. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use anything. I don't think anything's gonna benefit me. But I actually really like everything that came in the box, everything. So let's get right into this. The first thing that I saw that I was kind of excited about was the brushes. I've used everything in the box today, so everything is open and used. But these brushes are so soft. These are by Moda, I think that's how you say it. Moda Powder and Soft Glow. Excellent for wet and dry products. Waterproof metallic handle. Sturdy aluminum, I don't know what that word is, ferrule, secures bristles, and professional quality fiber. 100% vegan, cruelty-free, no animal products used. It says on the back that these are a BoxyCharm exclusive set, so that's pretty cool that they put together a set just for the BoxyCharm subscribers. But yeah, I really like these brushes. They're super soft. The highlight brush or soft glow brush is perfect. Like sometimes I will be honest, I started putting it on with this, forgetting that I had this brush, just being silly. But so you can see like a harsh line, which is what I don't like about this brush, or not that one, this brush. These are two different highlight brush. This one is from Morphe. This is the M532. I like this brush. It's a great highlight brush, but sometimes I do end up getting a very harsh line and it doesn't look blended. So my highlighter never really looks blended. And if you guys have been on my channel since I started, you know that I absolutely love my fan brushes. But I have started to experience other brushes like this one and understand that there are other types of brushes out there that I can use. And I really like both of those, but this one I really love. So I'm definitely going to have to invest in more brushes like this one. It's very feathery, like it's light, and I don't know how to explain it, but it is a perfect brush. And when I put it up, when I started using it, I noticed how it's a perfect brush. I can't wait to keep using this brush. It's amazing. I'm definitely going to be ordering from Moda. I hope that's how you say it. Moda. I think it's Moda. But this is a powder brush. Again, very soft. It's not as fluffy, like as big as I would want my powder brush to be, but it's good. It's great. I like using it and it did a really good job. So these are in there and I love these. Next we have a Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is a really good mask. There's really not much to say. I love purifying. I love peel off masks. They're my favorite type of mask. Peel offs and scrubs. I used it before I put my makeup on. I had it under my eyes, over my nose, under my nose, over my lip, and over my forehead. And I did my eyes, and it dried in the time for me to be able to pull it off as soon as I was done with my eyes. So the dry time is exactly what it says, about 15 to 20 minutes, whereas there's some other peel off masks that I've used and it'll say that it takes 10 to 15 minutes to dry and it ends up taking forever. I'm sitting around for hours waiting for it to dry. So I really do like this mask and it smells amazing. See, I did use it. It smells really good. I don't know why, like I never really pay attention to the scent of peel off mask, but this one smells really good. So we got that. Next we have the Orza Beauty. This is a lip topper, so it's a lip gloss. But surprisingly, it dries down like kind of matte-ish. Like, I don't know. I'm not wearing a matte lipstick. I put this on over it and it kind of mattified my lips. I will say, because I put this on yesterday on my hand just to see what it looked like. And that, I always do that. Put it on the side where it's hard for me to show you. Because I'm so hairy over here, so I never think to do it. But I put it on, and by the time it dried, it was so, I don't even know. Like, if this is safe for your eyes, I would definitely suggest putting this on like as a topper for your eyeshadow, because it would be super pretty. I'll show you guys when it starts to dry down, but I was outside when I put it on, and it was so, like, the way it looked in the sun was just beautiful. So I don't know, but it just is not coming off as beautiful as it is on my lips. Like, I mean, when you put it on, you can definitely see it. We'll see how that looks by the time it dries down. But I do like it. I do like it. It's something I'd probably throw in my purse and just kind of wear if I'm out and my lipstick is gone and I just need something that's kind of glamorous. This is definitely that. Next we have a manicured. I have no idea how to say some of this stuff, and it's probably not even that hard. It's just I'm stupid, so whatever. It says this is step 3. So I'm guessing there are like 2 other products that comes with this. It's like a set or something, because this says step 3. But it's a blooming volumizing mascara. I absolutely love the packaging to this. Oh, and I want to mention that both of these came wrapped in plastic. So I love that, because my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara did not come wrapped in plastic. I don't like that very much. I don't think anything happened to it. I don't think anybody was trying to get in it or anything like that, because my box was sealed. So I'm not saying anything like that, but I do love that these came wrapped in plastic. So yeah, but I love this packaging. This is super cute, the way that it twists like that, and then when you open it, it kind of looks twisted, like the wand kind of looks twisted on that too. So that's kind of cool. I'll be completely honest, I'm not wearing any lashes because I wanted to see how it looked without, how the mascara did without lashes. And honestly, it's nothing special. The Too Faced Better Than Sex is a mascara that I can wear without putting on lashes. This is a mascara that I would say that you would pick up for to put on lashes. Now, it's $29, so I don't know that you'd pay $29 for a mascara that you're really never gonna see. So I don't think it would be worth it. I like it. I definitely do like it. It definitely darkened up my lashes. So for somebody who has blonde lashes, definitely this would be something that you could wear if you don't wear falsies. It would definitely make it look like you have falsies on, because it does darken up your lashes, and my lashes are already pretty dark, so the fact that I can see that it did that is good. But it does nothing special for my lashes. Like, I mean, it's okay for this look because I wasn't looking for anything to kind of cover up the eye look that I did, because I really enjoy it. Like, I really like this eye look. So, but I don't know. I don't think I would pay $29 for this. I definitely would not buy another one of this. When it runs out, it just runs out, and I would have to deal with that because it's nothing special to me. That's to me. The price of the brushes, because I didn't say anything, the price of the brushes is also $29.99. The Wander Beauty Peel Off Mask is $34, which is really not a bad price at all. The Orza Lip Gloss is $14.99, and the mascara is $29.99. And then last we have a Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, which is $45. And this is what it looks like. Pretty simple, and then it tells you on the back what everything is. It also tells you inside of the palette what everything is. So it said that it had a contour. It said shadow contour though. So I don't know what that means. Oh, that's the name of it. It's called Shadow. Okay, so it said that this was a contour. I am wearing it. I don't know if you can tell. It's more of a bronzer for me. It's not a contour situation, which I'm perfectly fine with because, hey, I didn't even know there were bronzers in my shade. So I'm super happy about that. And it's not that I'm like super dark, so I don't know why I didn't think that I could find bronzers in my shade, but I just didn't. But here are these two put together. I would say that this one, the Morphe one, is a little bit darker, which is okay because I have ranges, shades. That's always nice, and I can blend them, mix them, and have a party. But I do like this palette. I like the entire palette. The finishing powder is glittery, so I would never, it's shimmery, so I don't know that I would ever use that. The blush, you can't really see it. It kind of blended in with, this is the blush, this is the contour. So they're basically almost the same shade, it's just this is pinky. But the highlighters are beautiful. I'm wearing both of the highlighters right now, so I don't know. I like this palette. I honestly, when I read the back of it, I was like, oh my gosh, a contour and a blush. These are going to be for someone who's very, very, very much lighter than me. And honestly, it isn't. I don't know if this comes in different shades and if they like looked at my profile and kind of gave me the right one. I don't know how that works. I don't know what that situation was. But I'm happy that it turned out to be a kind of perfect shade for me. It all worked out, and yeah, I'm happy about that. So again, I like everything that's in this box this month. I didn't think that I would, and I'm being completely honest. I didn't think I was gonna like anything outside of the brushes. The brushes were the only thing that I was super excited about, and I didn't know if they were coming in every box or not, because you know how last month the mascara came in everybody's box, and so did the primer. So that was pretty cool. I was happy that that happened, but yeah, I really like everything that came in this box, so I'm super excited about all of it, and I definitely will be adding this stuff to my collection and probably using it almost every day. Probably not the highlighters, or probably not this palette, but I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Everything in here is so good, so nice, so I like it. I'm building up my mascara collection with these boxes and bags and stuff, so that's pretty cool. I don't really buy mascaras. I don't know why. I just never really, I wasn't into falsies and lashes, or yeah, I wasn't into falsies or mascara for a really long time, and I got my first BoxyCharm and it came with lashes, and I was like, oh, okay. And then I got the LASHYBOX, and I was like, okay, like, I really like everything now. So I'm really starting to love and appreciate. That's the most important part. I'm really starting to appreciate what comes with everything that these boxes, you know, give you. The subscriptions just seem like a waste of money sometimes, but sometimes even if I don't like everything that's in there, I do find myself going towards the things, and there's always at least one thing in my box that I just absolutely love. So I appreciate that people have taken the time to come up with ideas like this, and it's definitely helpful for people who can't afford to go to Sephora or Ulta even, or even Target and spend money on makeup, because even though like Target is very affordable, I find myself spending so much more money at Target than I do when I go to Sephora or Ulta. And the reason is because everything is so much more affordable that I'm just grabbing everything because I'm like, I can afford this, I can afford this, I can afford this. But it's a trick. It gets you. So boxes like this definitely help. Yes, it takes a while for it to build up, but even if this was on the makeup that you got, I mean, you'd have to buy your own foundation and concealer and stuff like that, but powders come in here, and primers come in here, lashes come in here, brushes come in here. A lot of stuff comes in these boxes that are definitely helpful. So I appreciate BoxyCharm and IPSY GLAM and LASHYBOX and all the other subscriptions that I'm not subscribed to. I appreciate all of you for making, you know, this is $21. So if you don't have the money to spend on a bunch of makeup once a week or once a month, $21. will do you good. And then IPSY is $10 and LASHYBOX is $13. They're affordable. Yeah, though when you think about it, it's just like Netflix and Hulu and all of that. Once you start getting all of those, it's like, oh my gosh, I'm spending over $100 a month on subscriptions. But in the long run, it really is a lot cheaper than spending $100 a week on stuff that you're probably going to get in this box anyway. I have not come across that problem yet, thank God. But yeah, so I just rambled. I don't know why. I don't know where that came from. I don't know if somebody was supposed to hear that or not, but sometimes things just come out of me, and it's from God to you. So yeah, or it's from the makeup gods to you. So yeah, if you guys like this video, let me know with your thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to BoxyCharm, I will leave I don't have anything. I will leave a link down in the description so that you have a way to get to them and subscribe. I tell you, it is very, very much worth it. And yeah, so BoxyCharm. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.